Hello everyone. This is my presentation about my workshop. My key partners for the development of the workshop are the municipality of Ica and the regional direction of health of Ica. Together, we will focus on teaching our target population, that are the mothers of Ica, different ways to prevent the reproduction of the Aedes aegypti mosquito by eliminating its breeding sites and avoiding an increase in dengue fever cases. The event will take place in the civic center of the municipality because it is a well-known and central place for all the city inhabitants. The workshop will last approximately 2 hours. In the first part, which is the introduction, we will present to all the people involved in the development of the event, such as the mayor, DIRIS Ica staff, public health personnel, and some volunteers. Then, the data on dengue fever in Ica district will be explained to participants, but in a simple way, emphasizing the importance of the event to prevent this disease and the objectives that are expected with this meeting. Substance. In this part, we will show a video made by the DIRIS Ica. This video will explain the life cycle of the dengue transmitting mosquito and the places where it reproduces. At the end of the video, we will do a more in-depth explanation about the topic. For example, we will explain about the prevention tips that are mentioned below. 1. Change the water in the containers every 4 or 5 days to avoid water stagnation. 2. Wash and brush all water containers, such as buckets, tanks, and animal waters before refilling them. 3. Deposit the sachets with Temefos, that is the larvicides, inside the water containers. After each wash of the buckets, people have to be sure to put the sachets back inside. 4. Keep covered always the water containers to prevent the dengue transmitting mosquito from entering and laying its eggs. After these explanations, we will take time to answer some questions from the participants. After about half an hour of presentation, we will have a short break of 10 minutes where people can go to the toilets, tell each other about the topic, or attend their children if they are in the workshop. After that, 5 containers of water and t-shirts donated by the municipality will be raffled for the workshop participants. All attendees at the beginning of the workshop receive a ticket to participate in the raffle. This raffle will encourage people to participate, and they will feel motivated to stay until the end of the event. Closure. This is the final part, where we will make a small practice with participants, a summary of what has been explained Also, we will deliver brochures of the subject, and finally, participants will be invited to fill out some evaluation surveys of the workshop. It is a simple way to explain my workshop. This is all for today, and thanks for listening.